actually feel bad. Like, I know I stretched you. Some days. I don't feel like
only some days.
from the day I met you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like we met, and then I was in Nairobi, and we had started dating or whatever, and I started a nonprofit, and I'm like, oh, we got to bring health and wellness and healing to, first it was the cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then I needed I was like putting together a women's event in like just a few days.
Yes.
And I'm a foreigner. I don't really know people. And I'm trying to bring people in. And poor guy, he's just like, whoa. And then a few months later, I'm like, okay, it's Christmas.
Yeah.
We got to like feed 1,000 children and we got to take them everywhere.
Yeah.
And he's just like, okay. And you walk along with the crazy. I think it's tapered.
The crazy? Yeah.
The exuberance. I don't know.
A little. I think it's been tempered by
It's tempered by
but it's not gone.
my own children.
It's there. It's definitely there.
Yeah.